Easter's such a great holiday to go shopping for. So many colors, great ideas to just add that little extra zip to your table. Wonderful things like these herond bunnies that I found at GEARYS Beverly Hills. Bunch of little herond animals running down your table, and you've got a fun place setting. Beautiful crystal from San Luis, gorgeous plates again from Heron, a little bit fancier silverware from Gorham, or if you like something just a little bit different, these beautiful plates from Reno. They come in all kinds of colors, the greens, the browns, the peaches. You can mix and match, make a great table. Easter dinner would look beautiful on this. And don't forget to add just a little unexpected thing to that place setting, like this wonderful gold flatware in a mat, which somehow works perfectly with the shiny gold on these beautiful plates. Delicate glassware, Lobmeyer, and with these items, it's kind of a really special Easter table.